Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Friday, April 18th here, opening day of second season in Iowa. Dad and I are out here. We're going to try to get a double here this morning. We've never been able to double before, but we're going to see if we can make it happen here this morning with the guns. So, super calm this morning. We actually didn't come out last night and set a blind up or roost the birds because they were actually high winds last night, and they were actually talking some storms. So, we're just going to set up on the field's edge here this morning and see what happens. So let's get in there and get after them.
As much as fast as he was running, I thought he was gonna come right in. A big old bird. Could be. Oh, there's another one right there. Oh, there's a whole herd of them. Yeah, I see more down on the bottom. He's got some competition with them hens. I think those are hens. There must be a bunch of turkeys coming out of here. There's somebody down in there, scaring them out of there, you know. He's a strutter. Alright, when he goes down that hill, get your gun up. I gotta watch some other birds. You're fine on them. I'll tell you when you can shoot it. Big deal turned on here. What? There he is right there. He's coming. Yeah, he's over one tip yet. Just gonna shoot this one when he comes in. Just be careful. Safety. Yeah, get that off. Gosh, it's coming in handy. Just take your time when he comes in. Okay. It's getting skittish. Make sure you ain't pounding. Just don't move too much. Take your hands off the gun when he gets in here. Hands up. I'm gonna take. Good.
got him. That is awesome. Huh?
Poor bird. He got a little cagey, didn't he?
Yeah, he saw something. Well, that worked, didn't it?
Yeah, he still got his head flipping around.
Oh, man.
Yeah, he come in. He was really cagey coming in.
Well, guys, we had an interesting morning. As you can tell right now, we're not set up in the same spot we were this morning. We actually got set up this morning in our spot, and he's out there flopping around. We got set up in our spot this morning, and we had some people kind of come in and trespass through the property that we're hunting, and they kind of bumped all the birds off of our roost. And are those birds coming in right now? Is that other Tom coming in? Oh yeah, he is. Hang on, we're gonna see if we can get this other Tom. We got another Tom coming in.
Oh yeah, he's running in. He's running in.
Where's he at? Oh yeah.
He's coming over the top of the draw. He's got a couple of them.
You got binoculars on you. That might be a Jake, I think. I think it's a Jake, ain't it?
Yeah, he's just a Jake.
Yeah. Well, that was actually 2 Jakes that came running in after Dad shot his bird off of the decoy, but we actually still have a Tom that's gobbling just to the south of us here, hammering. So we're gonna see. I still have my tag. We're gonna see if we can get him to come in too.
Oh, nice shot. Yes. Nice shot.
We just doubled. We just doubled. Oh man, we just doubled. That is the first time we've ever doubled. Yes.
Oh, you feel a raindrop?
Yeah, I know. I was like, man, I better just shoot him here before we get wet.
We're gonna get wet.
Oh man.
He's got a nice fan on him.
Woo! Let's go take a look at him.
Holy cow. Well, I just caught him out of the corner of my eye. I didn't dare move my head, and I just bumped you with my elbow. I'm like,
That was crazy. So we're sitting here, cold front's coming in, it's getting windy, and all of a sudden, Dad over his right-hand shoulder, right here on the other side of the fence. Turkey came, and then what'd he gobble? 20 yards away from us right there?
Yep.
What time is it?
It's 7:19.
It's 7:19. We got 2 birds down for how our morning started.
Yeah.
That is awesome. First time doubling out here. We're tagged out. Let's go look at them. We got Dad's right here behind the blind. We were set up next to a hay bale actually, here in this field. How long between the time you shot and I got mine?
Probably less than 20 minutes.
That is crazy.
here he is. Get him before he beats himself up too bad. What do you say to that morning? That's pretty sweet, ain't it? The old Avian X decoys did their job this morning. And it's a beautiful morning. We're set up just right over there, right by that hay bale. Blends in pretty good with that mossy oak. But man, look at the hooks on this guy. Look at the hooks on him. Pretty good hooks on him. Dad's got good hooks on his bird. Good hooks. And we got two birds. Heck yeah. Well guys, it doesn't get much better than this. Dad and I are tagged out here, opening morning of second season here in Iowa. A little unorthodox start to the day. We got bumped out of our spot like we had talked, and then we decided to come over here where we've actually had quite a few reveal pictures of toms strutting out in this general area. So we decided to come over here, do a little bit of calling. And how long were we set up before yours came across that field?
I bet it's only about 15 minutes probably, and here they come.
Yeah, they started coming across, and Dad's came in first, and he was actually getting chased by two jakes, and he kind of chased them out in the burned CRP behind us here, and then he kind of slowly worked his way into the decoys, and Dad was patient enough to let us get some footage. I know that's sometimes kind of hard, ain't it?
Yep. Oh yeah.
But he put on a little bit of show for us, hopped on that Avian X laydown hen, and Dad gave him a dirt nap. And then shortly after that, we had this guy strike up here just to the south of us, and we worked him a little bit with the jag calls, and he liked it. He actually came over the corner of Dad's right shoulder through the fence, and I was able to put the old Bushnell sight on him, and shooting that verdict, he didn't go very far. So super excited. This is actually our first time being able to double here, and being able to double with you is it's awesome. So we're done. I don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of the season.
Well, it turned out to be a pretty good day.
It did. So I think we're gonna beat the rain, but we're tagged out. We're gonna get these birds out of here, go celebrate a little bit, and see what the rest of the day brings.